Let's talk about chunking. So let's talk about chunking content. Something that doesn't require any extra planning. You don't necessarily compromise the content that you're planning, and it does help all kids, even kids at all different levels. Here's the thing. If you have a worksheet and it's got 3 questions on it, instead of having them all on one worksheet, breaking them up into 3 separate worksheets, maybe 3 separate activities, that's going to help you out, and you're still going to have the kids do that content. You're not changing what they're doing. You're just changing how they're doing it. Kids, if they need to, they can skip ahead. They finish the first part, then they go to the second part. It's the same idea as the first one. And you're not actually planning any extra material. You're taking pre-existing material, you're just chunking it. So you don't actually have to pull anything else. Let's work on you. Here's the situation though, and this is why it makes a difference. The average attention span of a middle schooler is 10 to 12 minutes. This video is probably going to end up being 2 minutes, which in all reality seems like a lifetime. Just imagine 10 minutes worth of reading. And the 10 minutes worth of reading that you have in your 30-minute class period, if you don't chunk, that kid's going to spend 10 minutes reading. They're not getting to the questions because they used all of their attention span on this one part of whatever you're giving them. This one part of planning a paper, this one part of reading a passage, this one part of doing a problem. Instead of chunking it, where they spend 10 minutes and they actually get to everything that you intended. You wanted them to read, and then you wanted them to be able to respond. And they can do it because you chunked it, and it matches up with their attention span. And guess what? If you have a little bit extra attention span, you might have, I don't know, a special gift in the day for your kids. Your kids give you the gift of extra attention span. You can still get to the rest of the content because you have it chunked. You just give them whatever else you had planned. The thing is that within the span of their 10-minute attention span, would you rather them get to what you need from them, which is reading, responding, answering questions, being able to master everything you set out for them, or within their 10-minute attention span, just a portion of it because you have them stuck within their attention span on one part?